Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy Webtalk shares. As you know, recently um, Webtalk has introduced crowdfunding. As you can see on my screen, the Webtalk crowdfunding has started and is open for public and open for free members. So anybody can buy the shares of Webtalk. It's a pre-IPO initial uh, uh, public offering. So you can buy this shares from $100 the way to without limit, um, and you can monetize from this after a few years from now on. As you know, any of the social media right now is worth the billions of dollars. Like for example, Twitter has recently sold to Elon Musk has bought it for $44 billion. So one day this social media web talk I'm talking about may cost you, may give you, reward you millions of dollars, who knows. Anyway, so I'm going to buy some stocks today, so let's do it. So this is a new link, you can see right there. So I'm going to click on the link and start from there, and you can watch me how I do it. So hopefully, yeah, everything will go smooth. Now, there's some perks are given. I don't know whether they're still there. So they used to give 10% perks, web to credits. So let's see if I get it or not. Probably I'm too late. Anyway, so first of all, this is a website. You can go and you can see a lot of things is written there. So when you have time, just to go through it and read it, learn about it. And if you feel comfortable, just buy it. Whatever you want to buy, you can buy it. Minimum $100, all the way to whatever you want to buy. Now, there's a lot of innovation there. Since I know this business for 4 years or so, 5 years now, so I don't have to worry about anything. So I'm gonna buy some today, and I'm gonna planning to buy $100, $1,000. So let's say if I buy $500, they're gonna give me $50 credit, web to credit, so I can buy membership or credit, advertisement, whatever I want to buy from there on the site. I can do it. $1,000, I'm gonna get $100 credit. So I'm gonna click on this. Bismillah. All right. So now, uh, so this I'm gonna invest. So I'm gonna click here. It's gonna redirect to me in sales page. So this is the one. Fund your reservation in Webtalk Inc. So $1,000. You can do whatever. You can do up to like $10,000. Okay. Now there is some option there how we're gonna pay. So right now, let's say by default is showing Google Pay. So I'm gonna click on and see what other option are available. As you can see, I can use bank account, I can use credit card, I can use Google Pay, or I can use wire transfer. So I'm going to click on every single item and see how much the fees I have to pay. This fee actually basically goes to the company we founded, this code.com. This is a company, the third party crowdfunding software. They charge huge amount of money for the uh, collection. So basically this $50 now going to go to Webtalk, but it's going to go to wefounder.com basically. Anyway, so I'm going to check, as you can see right now, Google Pay going to charge me $50. If I click on wire transfer, I'm going to pay only $20. Okay. And if I pay with the credit card, it's going to be $50. And if I use my bank account, which is similar to wire transfer, this is going to be $20. So I'm going to use this easiest, cheapest one, for example, right now. So, um, well, and if I have a company that I'm going to buy, I can use new entity. If I have LLC or any company, I can use this, and with this, I can get a tax return, benefits and stuff. For personal things, since I don't have any LLC or limited company or any other company name, I'm gonna use my own name. So I'm gonna be using this. But if I had a LLC, I would prefer to put it there because I'm gonna get tax credit, write-ups and stuff. So I'm gonna get huge benefit if I show, um, if I use a company instead of personal income, any personal name, any. So I'm going to put my address here, and then I'm going to click here, United States. I live in America, United States. So that's fine. And then I can use a plate. This is special thing, that bank account use, or I can do manually. So I'm gonna go manually. So I'm gonna use my name. Bank name is Chase. Routing number I have written here. Routing number is here. Account number I'm gonna put here. Please do not abuse any of the information here, because you'll be in trouble if you do. All right, so I put my account name, bank account, and I selected bank account, and it's going to be checking. And then, so I'm going to pay 1,000 plus fee is going to be, this fee you can see, estimated fee could be less or more, depends on where you are. Anyway, so right now I'm going to be paying only $20. So I'm going to start completing this transaction. Bismillah. Now, RJ, Andrew, and Basit, they are the three owners. They want to know why I'm investing it. Thank you very much for your supporting our mission to help others create more success. Be sure to share this opportunity with everyone you know. Um, I Why did I buy it? Because love this love this platform. The success. Okay, just playing right now. I love this platform very much. Of course, I love it, and I would like to see Webtalk success, and I want to grow. I want to make myself. Um, I want to make myself lucky by taking this rare opportunity. Um, opportunity. Uh, I want to make myself lucky by taking this rare opportunity to grow. So I think that's good enough. I'm going to send a message, and I can put public. I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Uh, so I don't know whether I can do this. Yeah. Okay. So I saved it. Okay. And public and share. You want to share it? I want to share it Facebook. does web so I just did it. I just did it. Just bought $1,000 worth of Webtalk shares. Also, I'm planning to buy more soon, inshallah. Okay, and why not you? Okay, so I think that's good enough. Okay, so done. So basically, I'm done, and I can do Twitter, Messenger, email, or whatever, you know. So you're done. So let me see whether I have found anything from the web we founder. Right now, you can see right there, bank transfer initiated. We're Mohammed. You can see right now, 4 minutes ago. We are confirming that the initial bank account will account December 1st. We'll get an email from company. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it went through, and they're gonna let me know if everything is okay. So I'm done basically, and let's see if I get any credit in here or not. I'm not sure I'm gonna get it. Uh, okay, I don't see any relation or anything. This is my front end. This is a website that exactly like Facebook, but this one pays us 50% of your revenue on like any other social media. So once it's completed, I'm gonna get the credit, I guess, $100 web to credit. Uh, so I don't know whether it has been populated yet or not. Anyway, I'll wait and see. Hopefully, I'm gonna get an email also from Webtalk. Um, yeah, I think so. So yeah, that's it. So we are done. So if we're done, share. Okay. Total. Okay. Receipt. Company file from C. Okay. So this is what's gonna happen. Um, November 8 has launched reservation today. I paid today. Company file for C did not set. When C for is closed set. Okay. So this bit. Next step, there's nothing you can do for now. We will send our investment contract to sign once Webtalk file their form C. Okay. So I think this bit. Okay. All right. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, talk to you soon.